This is Knee 3. Knee 3 is a completely new software that takes a different approach to addressing the current challenges of navigated total knee replacement. For the first time, BrainLab presents a knee navigation software that visualizes joint stability over the full range of motion, allowing the surgeon to examine kinematic movement of the knee joint before any resection has been made. The key feature of Knee 3, the balance graph, provides the surgeon with real-time feedback of the stability outcome and the potential effect of any surgical step. Registration steps and system interaction with Knee 3 have been streamlined and minimized, resulting in an even faster registration process. Registration begins with the acquisition of the femoral head center. Using the pointer that is equipped with reflected marker spheres, the mechanical axis of the femur is registered. The remaining femoral and tibial anatomical landmarks are subsequently acquired until the software has received all information necessary for calculation. Once the registration steps for femur and tibia are finalized, the initial assessment of stability and leg alignment can begin immediately. As the leg is moved from full flexion to extension, the balance graph on the right side of the screen is created, providing information about the stability of the joint based on the selected implant family, even before any bone cuts are made. Potential instabilities or deformities that may have an effect on further surgical steps can already be identified at this stage. This intelligent software automatically recognizes which surgical step the surgeon will perform next. For example, beginning with the distal femoral cut, the cutting block must only be placed at the respective position, and the software automatically jumps to the correct view, allowing navigation to begin immediately. After verifying the first resection, the surgeon can decide how to proceed, for example, with the tibial resection. Without any system interaction, the software displays the respective view and the cutting block can be placed. This patient-specific navigation allows the surgeon to foresee the outcome of final joint stability based on the implant geometry and according to previously verified cuts. Surgical interactions such as soft tissue releases are immediately taken into account. Finally, when performing the anterior cut, the software shows how rotation of the cutting block will affect final stability. The goal is to achieve two parallel lines indicating symmetrical stability of the joint. By selecting the insert thickness, the graph drifts to the zero line. After each procedure, a patient report, which is optimized for documentation and communication in daily practice, is automatically generated by the software. The intuitive software approach allows surgeons to adjust to the surgical environment, thereby potentially decreasing surgical time and providing the flexibility to manage unforeseen circumstances on the fly. Knee 3 marks a new generation of software-guided knee surgery, which places the power and control of orthopedic navigation in the hands of the surgeon.